Katie Sweeney, and today I'm going to show you how to make pears sauteed in white wine sauce. To begin, I started by cutting 3 pears that were cored into thin slices. Now I'm going to put these pears in a nice big mixing bowl, and I'm going to add 1/3 cup of brown sugar. It doesn't matter what kind of brown sugar you use. You can use light brown, dark brown. Whatever you have in your cabinet will work. We just want them to get nice and caramelized when we saute them in the butter. So all of our pears are in. Get 1/3 cup brown sugar, and we're gonna give this a toss, then take them over to the stove. We've got our pears that are coated in brown sugar, and we're gonna add them to a saute pan that has some melted butter, and we've got it over medium heat. Let's just make sure we get all the goodies out of the bottom of the pan. Then we're gonna let this saute for about 6 to 8 minutes. We want the pears to get caramelized and softened and fill the house with the delicious fragrance. Our pears have been simmering in the butter and brown sugar for 6 to 8 minutes, and now we're gonna add some white wine. This is a Moscato that's definitely on the sweeter side, and since we're serving these pears as sort of a dessert on top of pound cake or in a crepe, it's definitely worth it to go and get some sweet wine. So we're gonna let this cook down for another couple of minutes and let the flavors meld. We're also gonna add just a splash of vanilla extract for a hint of vanilla. There we go. Then we'll give it a stir. Our pears were bubbling in the wine, vanilla, butter, sugar mixture for another 10 minutes, and now most of the wine has evaporated and we're ready to transfer them to a serving bowl. So they've gotten a wonderful, sticky, syrup-like quality, and they're soft and delicious, and this would be a wonderful sort of like a compote, a dessert that you could serve over a grilled pound cake, vanilla ice cream, as a filling for crepes. Get creative with it and enjoy. So there you have it. That's how you make pears in sauteed white wine. For more wonderful recipes like this, check out my website, sixtwists.wordpress.com. I'm Katie Sweeney. See you next time.